how to copy formula to other rows in Smartsheet. So first go to Smartsheet, and then you can just go to that one. For example, this is my row, right? So this is one of my cells that I have a formula in. So let's say I want to copy this formula to the other rows as well. So for example, I want to copy it to this row here, at the bottom of it. So you can just click on that cell here like that, and then you can see this one here. You can drag it down, and then you'll immediately be able to copy the formula. So for example, I just added both of these columns here, and it gave me 8, and then I copied the formula here, and then they just added 5 and 10 here, and this is the result. Okay, so you can do that as well with the other row. So I'm just going to add 10 here, and then 20, and then you can just copy it again like so, and so you can see that's it. Okay, so if you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.